Good morning, everyone. Assumption of office. Pursuant to paragraph 3, section 1, special order number 11-01, Samar Police Provincial Office, dated November 5, 2012. I hereby assume the position as Chief of Police, Calbayog City Police Station, Calbayog City, effective this day. And I sign. To our Regional Director, Police Chief Superintendent Elmer Soria, sir. To the Provincial Director of Eastern Samar, may kababayan, Police Senior Superintendent Eusebio Mio, sir. To the outgoing Chief of Police, Korea na kini. I will try. Maupay ngaga. Good morning, sir. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty God for this wonderful day. And of course, I will take this opportunity also to express my heartfelt gratitude to the City Mayor for accepting me once again here in this beloved city of Calbayog. Personally, my heart belongs to Calbayog. Not only because I gained a lot of friends here in Calbayog during my tenure as the previous Chief of Police for 2 times, but also I gained, of course, enemies. Pero kinakalimutan ko yung mga bagay na yan. Ang gusto ko lahat ay kaibigan ng pulis. Magkakaibigan tayo lahat. And I would like also to recognize the presence of the city officials. Sa paglalo nyo, nakikita ko yung suporta nyo sa Calbayog City Police. At taos puso akong ipapasalamat din sa inyo. And I hope that I can deliver the goods. And of course, I cannot do it alone. Kailangan ko ang suporta ng taong bayan. Kailangan ko rin ang support ng local government at lalong-lalo na ng higher headquarters. Kung wala yan, I will be a failure. Diba? And of course, the presence of our media people here, boost our morale. Please. Dahil alam ko hindi nyo kalaban ng pulis, diba? Balance lang. Balance sila. For that, wala akong masyado pang masasabi sa inyo. So, yun lang muna at maraming salamat.